Hey everyone, welcome back to Nothing Can Stop Us Now.
On this week's vlog,
We continue our time in Pickens, South Carolina, celebrating Melissa's birthday.
we explore a private waterfall at our Airbnb. Trust us, you won't want to miss this one.
And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. We release a new vlog each week, and we'd love to have you be a part of our NC Sun family. Good morning. Good morning. I am sitting here looking out at the mountains in our room. You can't really see them, but they are off in the distance and they're all smoky and beautiful. We woke up this morning early. We are so tired, and I woke up this morning and I could not find my phone anywhere. I walked 1 mile around this entire home trying to find it. And it was on the kitchen table. Just one of those nights where I was like, I'm too tired to even think about anything. I'm just going to bed and I'll deal with the consequences later, which I never do. I'm very much like I always have my phone plugged in type of girl, but man, last night I was just over it. So I am super excited to take you guys along with us today. It's gonna be a great time. I think that's Nick. Hi, Nick. Hey. We'll see you guys soon.
Good morning and welcome to breakfast. Bacon, venison breakfast sausage, eggs, pancakes, courtesy of the birthday girl. Butter, fruit, Stevie,
Ladies first.
syrup, bourbon, wife. I think it's just because it was cooking in its own grease.
I love deer. I do too. There's some caramel stuff up there. You can put some on your pancakes. Thank you.
Do you know what the main ingredient is in this breakfast?
Love.
Love.
And puppy chow.
Thanks.
Puppy chow.
Perfect little strawberry.
Hello.
He's a park ranger, it's not a big deal.
Just a little park ranger we picked up down at the park. I invited two friends.
We gave him shelter.
To stay with us yesterday.
Where?
Yeah.
Just random hikers. They could've-
I like the deer sausage.
Hello.
Hey everyone!
It's the afternoon. We took a nap.
Yeah.
And we basically just hung out on the back porch and just soaked in all the nature. And we're currently heading to another one of the waterfalls that's connected to this actual community that we're staying in. And they have a sliding rock and a couple of waterfalls, so we're gonna go there. Gang's getting all bug sprayed out. And
A bug I can hear.
yeah, I
just hit
saw that. Is everything okay? So we'll see you there. Oh god. Old Indian hole room. Really? Yep. You'd have to like trade or do something to get through.
Across the river.
I love it. You can just hear water all around us. What? Wow.
First worth it.
Whoa.
You can go this way, but I'll pay for the right side.
Going over to the left side.
Oh, bird. Steps. Wow.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Melissa found a hole and she's trying to get all of the gems out of it. It's like a hole this big and she's just digging into it. They're mining for gems. Stevie's checking out the deeper end over here. This is actually a sliding rock. You can go up there and slide down. But it's very, very cold, you guys. Like so incredibly cold. But how cool is this? There's a golf course up here. And you can't really go down there because it's dangerous, but we'll show you that. Then the drone footage. It's a perfect day. Oh, Stevie's going in. What'd you get? Get something good? Crystals.
Here. For me, lady.
Wow.
One of them's really cool looking. The others are okay.
Bunch of diamonds? Wow, babe. Thank you.
Maybe you go up that way and go around. So the time that we slept in our sleeping bag, down by the river, Elliot had, they had just been building this new trail at the Jones Gap State Park. And we climbed the whole trail that he had, the fresh trail, barefoot. And it was like amazing. That's called earthing. I was not.
Hidden Mick.
I'm so confused.
Yeah. Okay, so we went up, down, around, and then this way. That's weird. What just happened?
I don't know, but I feel like
Are we in a time warp?
we are. Alright. Another waterfall. God, it is so magical out here. We just went on a little walk. And it is just gorgeous. Melissa found 1,800 arrowheads.
They all are arrowheads.
We went on an adventure, a journey. What's this trail? There are 3 paths.
I know that was the thing, right? Was that the one that we saw earlier?
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
I wonder where that path leads.
And we're seeing that rock.
Oh. So it's just a loop.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully Julie's not down there.
She said I'll meet you guys back here. Oh God.
Hey! How's the cheese going?
Good. It's very cheesy. Wow. Yeah. Little venison cheese dip, trash dip.
Love it.
White trash dip. Wow. The boys are hanging out, watching the race. We're just sitting out here on this porch. Oh. It's too bright, but gorgeous sunset on the last day for our sweet Melissa's birthday.
Intense game of Yahtzee going on?
Yeah, I'm going for a full house. Let's see what you got. We got your 5 back.
Oh, he got it! Congrats, Stevie.
Thanks.
All right. Got venison bacon burger on the grill. Let's go check these bad boys out. I just put them on, so they should. Oh yeah. Looking good. All right, burgers. Venison burgers are ready. And then Carlin made a venison cheese dip.
Yep, get this.
Stevie has made a masterpiece with his venison burger. Got some of the venison cheese dip on it with some mustard.
Our conversations are short but great.
Oh my gosh, I got something to watch.
I love Rotel stuff so much.
Good.
Nailed it.
Heck yeah.
I love the burger stuff so much. Here, I'll go like this.
So good. It was
I'm gonna
really
go like this.
good.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna come to you.
Oh my God, Nick, what's happening?
I hope it's Kyle Busch.
It's Kyle Busch and
Are they fighting?
Whoa!
so Ricky got wrecked by Kyle Busch, and then
Are they on our team?
he brought his car
No.
into the pits and parked it in Kyle Busch's pit stall and walked out. Climbed up on the stand, said something to his crew chief, and then walked away.
Wow.
Yeah,
That is
Woo.
drama. Now who's that?
that's Ricky Stenhouse. That's who got wrecked by Kyle.
Because he was already in his shorts.
Yeah, he was wrecked like
He was pissed.
lap 3.
So he
Yeah, I
was
think it
just
was
waiting
lap
to do
2.
that.
Yeah.
Dang, he's done. You are going to be in big trouble for something like that.
Yeah.
It's about to go all over the news.
I feel like I did when I saw Mike Tyson bite that guy's ear off.
Was it planned?
We just got done crafting. I made this out of clay. We watched Wish. Melissa, what are you making? Oh my god.
With all the rocks that I found.
Wow. That's so cool. You found all these today, or like this weekend, or no?
Yep. I found all these today. Well, yeah, actually the whole weekend.
That's crazy. Alright. Good night. Good morning. We are checking out of our Airbnb. I'm not ready to leave. I literally could stay here forever. I went over in the corner and did a little morning devotional today, and I just never want to leave the mountains. It just literally gives you a spot to just connect like with nature so easily away from the city. And while we live in kind of the country area of the city, it's still bustling, busy, and this has just been peaceful. Yeah. Anyways, I'm cleaning up the banners, cleaning up all the stuff, and I just wanted to say hi, bye. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell, and we'll see you next week.